There, I'm recording. Alright.
Huh?
It's a quarter stick will start to life. It's an M80? We used to call
It
it?
used to be called an M80, but now they call it an M5.
Alright, I'm gonna back up. Crap.
Did you catch it? Can you see it?
Mm-hmm.
Still rich? Oh yeah, it's going slow, that's why.
Crap.
Oh. See how it yeah, see what it did? When it did, see how when it popped, what it did? So if you put 4 of them together, that's a quarter of a stick of dynamite. If you had 8 of them, it'll probably blew up real big. But just that little one did that little thing right there.
Where is it?
Oh, right here. See? So if you take 8 of these, it'll equal a stick of dynamite.
That will be blowing up our whole backyard?
Close to it. It'll do some damage. It'll do some damage.